Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How
Good
are you
morning,
guys?
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
Rachel.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ihan. Okay, everyone, please turn on the camera. Aishin, Badira, Ihan. Okay. Guys, I'm going to count till five. I need your cameras to be turned
Hello.
on. Hello,
Good
Badira.
morning, everybody. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Badira. How are you?
Good.
Where's your uniform?
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
No, you need to wear uniform to class, right?
I'll go very quickly.
Yeah, I'll give you 1 minute. Lizel, why were you absent yesterday?
Ma'am, with something came?
Yeah.
I don't know, it was talent club. It was showing live. I was joining live again.
What about assembly? You didn't join for assembly?
Assembly I did. I joined the all of the class. I didn't join in talent because I don't know it was talent.
It is written in the calendar, right? Recreation.
No, it said
Club is written.
yeah,
So
but I
club
didn't
means
look the
the
class.
club you selected you to join that club.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, yeah.
Yes. What happened for this? Okay, Haya, Mila, turn on your camera, please. I'm going to count till five. One,
Ma'am, my camera is on.
two.
Ma'am, my camera is on here, ma'am.
Are you guys able to see them, people?
No, ma'am.
Right?
But I
Right.
can see her. But I can see her.
How I am every yes, I can see everyone and everyone
Now
is
I can
looking
see.
Can't see him.
so
Now I
nice.
can see.
Everyone is looking so nice. Okay. And everyone is sleepy, just woke up from the
Ma'am,
sleep.
ma'am, I bought this ring.
Where's your ring?
Can I see it?
I will see it.
No, it's an amethyst.
Is it emerald?
It's an amethyst.
Is it your birthstone?
No, I'm August.
Okay.
So if I'm August, what birthstone is mine?
Okay,
What
let's
a
see.
birthstone.
I'll tell you, everyone put your birth date in the chat box. The date and month, I'm opening the chat box.
You know, ma'am, I'm a Leo. I'm a Leo.
I'm
My
also Leo.
You're Leo?
I'm a Leo.
Yes.
Let's see. Stones, huh? No one has put their date of birth. Come on, let's see.
I am putting it.
I
I'll
am
tell
putting
you. First, I'll tell you the stones. Okay, May 24, Lazel. Lazel, your stone is agate. 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 Okay, let's do one thing. I'll just bring
Lazel,
it.
Lazel, in your Google search agate, you'll get your stone.
No, I'll share it. 1 second.
my
Give me one.
spelling, ma'am.
Yes, I'm sharing. Give me 1 second, people.
Ma'am, I was born on the time when there was no phone.
You were born on the time when there was no phone.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Are you sure there was no stone? Sorry. There was, right?
Yeah, in 2017 there were stones.
Yeah. It was there when even I was born. Okay, I'm going to share. Ready, people?
Yes.
Why is it not coming?
I know you're January 1, Amila, but you have to write the
Year.
year, yeah.
Here we don't need. It's fine.
You don't need it.
Okay,
Okay.
can you see it?
It's
Check,
coming.
check your stone and side.
I'm a ruby.
You're a ruby. Let me see mine. Leo. I'm also ruby.
Yeah, because you're a Leo, of
I'm
course.
a Leo. Ooh.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who doesn't know their birth sign?
Okay,
What
I
is
think
this first of
I
all?
think everybody
I
does it.
know my
Zodiac.
zodiac sign. It's
What?
What is
Gemini.
your zodiac sign, Lizel?
Gemini.
Gemini, you're Gemini. Wow, nice. What's Gemini? Emerald. Oh my God, Lizel. Emeralds are quite expensive. What about Ian? Ian,
Why is there no amethyst? I thought it was also
let me check. Ian, you have not put your date. Ah, January 2, January 2. Okay, let's see. Ian, you're Capricorn. Where's Capricorn?
Capricorn?
Blue sapphire.
Blue
Yes.
sapphire.
In Amila also, you are also a Capricorn. Blue sapphire.
Blue
I am also
sapphire.
Aishin May, sorry, March 28. Aishin is Aries. Aishin, you are the first one. Aries, red coral.
Red coral.
Fateh? Fateh is November. One second, let me check Fateh. It's November 6, right? You are Scorpio. Scorpios are a great sign. That's Fateh. Red
Teacher, red
coral.
coral.
Yes, Amila. You are a
Your
Capricorn. January
Capricorn.
1, right? You are a Capricorn.
So that means your gem is blue sapphire.
Blue sapphire. This one. Third glass. Can you see the third glass? Capricorn. The blue sapphire. That is yours. Barina. Where is Barina? What is your date of birth?
I don't want emerald. I want diamond. I
Which
want
one are
silver.
your birth is?
We don't follow with the science. Oh
Yes.
my gosh,
You're not
ma'am.
following. You're just checking. You don't have to follow that. Don't worry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my sister has amethyst.
Amethyst.
My sister is on February 23rd. February is the month for amethyst.
Okay.
But I like the amethyst. I like
When
amethyst more than her.
I like two stones very much here.
Which
Emerald is
one?
great. Actually, three. Ruby is great, emerald is great, blue sapphire is great.
Yeah.
Diamonds are quite expensive. Is there any Taurus here?
The thing is, I think the rare one here is only us, you and me, because there are no other rubies. There is only one ruby.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll discuss about the characteristics of each of you guys based on your zodiac. Sakri, can you hear?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you tell line?
Amina, you are the Capricorn. Yeah, tomorrow we are going to read the characteristics based on your zodiac sign, and you can tell me whether it is Capricorn.
You see the at the last you see Capricorn,
Can you see that? Third last?
and that
Yes.
means your gem is blue sapphires.
Everyone remember your zodiac sign for tomorrow, okay? Will you remember it?
I always know mine. Mine's is
Everyone
blue.
knows, right? I think you know. Ilan knows now, right?
Wait, ma'am, when is your birthday?
I'm on August 21st.
Ma'am, you're so close. But it's not. Mine's is August 3rd.
Third. Then,
Ryan's birthday is coming in January
Ilan,
15th.
you are Capricorn, the third last one.
Ryan's birthday is coming in 15th January.
Leo, August 21.
Ma'am,
Leo. Yes,
Ryan,
Lizel.
Ryan's birthday is coming in January 15th.
January 15, then Bayan is a Capricorn. If he is January 15, then he is Capricorn. Let me cross check again. Yes, he's Capricorn. January
So
2nd,
that
that is also Capricorn. See, it's particular this to this month. So Ihan, you are also Capricorn. Amina here is Capricorn. Ihan here is Capricorn. And Bayan is Capricorn. Capricorn.
how about Lazel?
Laser, which one are you?
Gemini. Gemini.
Gemini, Emerald. That's
I
nice.
I did this in like the second class or something.
Oh, there is no Virgo here. No Virgo.
The I don't know how I got Leo because it looks pretty rare.
I like Leo. Leo's a good sign.
Yeah, it
Wait,
looks pretty rare to me
Barira, who's there?
because Leo only like few of them are animals.
Yeah, that's also kind of true. Yes.
It sounds a little bit like rare to me. Like when hear Leo, I don't know. It sounds like a name.
Leo, right?
Like yeah, like there are people named Leo, dogs, cats.
But
So sad
today
not
I
to
have
meet Leo.
there. I know a dog named Leo actually. There is a dog. Leo.
I want to make a
Mostly.
story with Leo.
Ah. Okay. That's right. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the characteristics of your zodiac signs. So you have to remember your zodiac.
Son, ma'am.
My favorite stone. I like mostly I like emerald. But my favorite color is blue. So I'm confused. But I like
You
blue.
know what, ma'am? My favorite stone
Your
is
favorite
my
stone
favorite stone is amethyst, but it's on February, my sister's birthday month. But the
Ah.
thing is, my sister doesn't even like purple. She's more into pink.
Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Yes,
my
Ian.
brother birthday is August 5th.
August 5th, he will be a Leo. If it is August 5th. Your brother is a Leo.
Oh,
Leo. Lion. Okay, people remember your sign tomorrow, okay? We'll be discussing
yeah,
the
I
characteristics.
know, I know.
Bye, bye, guys. Bye, Joanne. See you tomorrow. Take care. Attend
Bye.
all the classes. Is there anyone who doesn't have a club? Anyone who doesn't have a club? No one is
Okay, bye
here.
bye, I guess. Tata.
They are standing here. Now you go. Leave the class.
Why?
Okay, you go now. Bye bye. What happened, Joanne? Bye, people. Thank you so much.